Welcome to the channel. My name's Josh, and in today's episode, we are repairing this screen door. When people go to open the door, I think they hit it with their knee, and then it kind of just knocks out the screen. So we are gonna take it apart, throw a new piece of screen in it. I'm gonna put aluminum screening in it because hopefully it'll last a little bit longer. Definitely need to get a small pry bar. Alright, just cut this so it's alright, now so instead of starting at the top, because I'm not exactly sure where this is going to finish, I'm going to start at the bottom because I know where it needs to start here, and I'll just work my way up with all the pieces. That is sweet. Not sponsored yet, but I could be. The DeWalt XR 12 volt max with a 4 amp hour battery. It has speeds 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that's sweet. It just stops. That's awesome. No impact. Not sponsored, but I could be, you know. But if you want to, let me know. I guess this must have been lower. I guess this doesn't fit. And that doesn't fit. But that's okay. So that's all I gotta do. Maybe I should have started from the top. I forgot that the should have gone back and checked the tape. It's fine. All right, we're gonna go higher. We're gonna cover that seam. Just gonna glue this little piece back in. Staple it in place. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, and last thing we do, follow the edge and just cut it. Screen's on, trim's back on. Pretty quick, easy project. Not sure how long it took me, but I don't know, 15, maybe 20 minutes. And the screen isn't gonna let all the bugs in. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.